You're sitting in class and you get this. Common manifestations of the personality change include affective instability, poor impulse control, outbursts of aggression or rage grossly out of proportion to any precipitating social stress or marked apathy. So, what is this saying? What did I just read? Okay, so your assignment in books at school won't quite look like this one. Probably more like this one, right? But still, sometimes the things you read in class feel like that crazy scientific passage that you just saw. Because there are usually words that we don't know how to say, or we read them, but we have no idea what they actually mean. This is Jake. Hi, Jake. And this is his reading assignment. See all of those highlighted words? Those are words that Jake doesn't know. So when he read this passage, he really had no idea what he was reading. It might as well have been this, or this, or this. So here's what I have to say to you and Jake. Just use the freaking dictionary. Just do it. I know it seems to take forever. Sometimes you can't easily find the word, but just do it. And if you aspire to be a rapper or a songwriter, you'll thank me in your speech when you become famous because your vocabulary will be out of this world due to all the times you had to use the dictionary. Because believe it or not, you're going to remember every word that you look up eventually, and you won't have to use it so much. I promise. Everything you have to do in reading class, state tests, everything, it will be easier. No, you cannot use your phone. Maybe at home, but not in class, and you definitely can't use it on tests. Not tests in middle school, high school, college tests, entrance exams. You want to be a firefighter? You have to take a test. Can you use your phone? No, 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 no. You've got to use the dictionary. Sorry, Siri, Alexa, you're out of this one. So let's talk about how to use the dictionary. This is what it looks like. Yours at school might look a little different. This is one of the best ones because you can keep it in your binder. It's not very thick and it doesn't take up a lot of room. In a dictionary, words are listed in alphabetical order, A to Z. Let's think back to preschool. Feel free to sing your ABCs as much as you need to. I sing it all the time when I'm using the dictionary, and I'm kind of old. At the top of each page are guide words. The guide words are what help you to avoid dictionary-itis, which is when your eyes glaze over and all of the words turn into a huge sea of letters, and you just can't find the word that you need. Let's say we need to find this word, the word read. First, go to the R section of the dictionary. But we don't need to just start searching all of the R's. We can use the guide words to take us exactly where we need to go. The guide word on the top left-hand side of each page is the very first word listed on this page, and the word on the top right-hand corner is the last word listed on the page. You see? So we're already in the R section. We need to look at the second letter of the word read, which is E. According to these guide words, this page starts with the word putative, P's, and ends with railroad. Well, read doesn't start with P, and the second letter, E, is after the second letter of railroad, which is A. We need E. Does E come after A? Come on, sing your ABCs. A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, A definitely comes before E. So, and I know you know that, but I'm just saying. Read is not going to be on this page. No need to even look at any of these words. The next page's guide words are railway, which is the first word of the page, and recessional, the last word of the page. I see the first several words still begin with R. A. But by the end of the page, according to my guide words, we are at the words with R-E-C. Our word is R-E-A. A comes before C, so this tells me read must be somewhere in the middle or towards the end of this page right here. And oh, there it is, read, to take in the sense of letters by sight, or my favorite, to utter aloud words found in a book. Sometimes we can run into problems when we actually find the word we need. Sometimes we can't find the exact word that we need. Say, for example, we wanted to find the word reporting, but we can only find the word report. I've had students say, well, reporting just isn't in the dictionary. Yes, it is. It really is. I promise. This is when you need to think about prefix, suffix, and root words. Don't freak out if you have no idea what I just said. I promise. It's easy. Let's look at the word reporting again. We see report and ing, I-N-G. I can find report in the dictionary, but the ing part is missing. Well, that's because ing is a suffix or a word ending, and it only changes the tense of the word report. Tense has to do with past, present, or future. So the definition of report is give an account, tell as news, or announce. So right now, I am giving you a report of how to use the dictionary. See, it has no word ending because it's happening right now in the present tense. If we needed the word reported with an ed ending, we would use the definition for report and figure out the tense or purpose for the suffix ed, id. By the way, the ending ed is almost always used for past tense, meaning it already happened. Just like I said the word used, I'm not using it now, or I'm not going to use it in the future. It's been used with an ed at the end. So we could say, yesterday you reported the crazy artwork you found on the bathroom wall. By saying reported, we know that yesterday you gave an account of the art you found on the bathroom wall yesterday. Okay? But if you found the art today, you would say, I'm reporting this right away, means you're going to do it. Okay? Because our word reporting has the ing suffix, which is used almost always in future tense, sometimes when discussing something in third person, and it's also used in a lot of action verbs like jumping, running, skating. An example is, tomorrow I am reporting you to the teacher because you are awesome. So tomorrow I'll be giving an account of your behavior to the teacher. Or if I'm talking about my friend, hey, what's Chloe doing? Oh, she's reporting that boy that pulled her hair. She's doing it right now. That's the action that she's doing. So ing doesn't really change the meaning of the word report. Therefore, it is in the dictionary. Don't let a word ending stop you. If you don't see the exact word you need, look for the root word, like report, and use it. All right, kids. I know I've been blabbing on and on for a while now. The dictionary is really important and I have a lot to say about it. But if your eyes are beginning to roll into the back of your head, I need you to take a quick minute and stretch your arms, rotate your neck, Teachers, feel free to pause this button and let them do a quick brain break.